Kidney disease is a growing concern, but adjusting your diet can help prevent and even reverse kidney damage. In this video, we explore the top 5 science-backed foods that can help protect your kidneys and avoid dialysis. These superfoods flush out toxins, dissolve kidney stones, lower blood pressure, stop diabetes-related kidney damage, and may even repair kidney cells. 1. Cabbage is a powerhouse for kidney health. It's low in potassium, which is important for people with kidney damage, and it contains vitamin K, vitamin C, fiber, and other nutrients that support organ function. Studies show cabbage can protect kidney and liver tissues by neutralizing free radicals, helping to restore their normal structure after damage. 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are another low-potassium option rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and lycopene. Lycopene helps protect the heart, skin, and cells. These peppers are a tasty, kidney-friendly addition to your meals. 3. Avocados. Avocados are great for blood sugar control, which directly impacts kidney health. They contain healthy fats and fiber that help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce strain on the kidneys. However, people with advanced kidney disease should monitor their avocado intake due to its high potassium content. Parsley is excellent for preventing kidney stones and supporting kidney function. It helps flush out toxins and acts as a natural diuretic, easing the burden on your kidneys. Parsley is also rich in nitrates, which promote healthy blood pressure, essential for kidney health. 5. Garlic is a powerful food for detoxifying heavy metals like lead and mercury, which can damage the kidneys. It contains antioxidants that neutralize these toxins and promote kidney health. Garlic also supports gut health, reducing toxins like indoxyl sulfate that can strain the kidneys. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain strong, healthy kidneys. To stay up to date with more health tips, like and subscribe to our channel,